So I may or may not have done a little damage at the Sephora sale. I can't believe that I spent all of this money and I still spent less than what I thought I was gonna spend. But woo child. Hey guys, it's your girl Liana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Liana. I post new videos every single week. Go watch some older videos so we can get a little bit more familiar with each other. We can get better, well acquainted. You're probably gonna like it here anyway, so you might as well subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I missed you. So I've already posted 2 videos regarding the Sephora sale, and I just felt it was only right. I talked about what you guys should get. I talked about what's already in my shopping cart. I'll have them both linked down below, by the way. But I'm like, you know, I need to show them what I actually got from the sale. So this is the video that's going to show you everything that I did get. So first things first, I did place 2 orders. I did 2 online orders, and I also went in store for 1 because I'm like, I wanted the in-store experience. And like I said in my other video, I said at 12 a.m. I would be placing my order, and I did just that because I didn't want anything to sell out because I know things probably would sell out. If you don't know, depending on which tier you are, if you're a Beauty Insider VIB or VIB Rouge, you can save between 10 to 20% off of your purchase, and then everything Sephora collection will be 30% off. That is all the detail I'm going to give about the sale itself because like I said, I've already made 2 videos explaining the sale. So if you want to watch those 2 videos, I'll have them linked down below and probably somewhere up here as well. But I am so excited to show you guys everything that I got. 1, because I want to use my shit. And I knew I wanted to film this, so I'm like, I can't use anything until I film this video. Let's start with everything that I ordered online. So I got the Sol de Janeiro Bum Jet Set Kit. It comes with a shower gel, the body cream, and then a little mini of the spray. I want to smell the cream. Oh, this smells really good. I'm gonna take some off of the lid and put it on my hand. This smells really, really good. Let's rub that in. Oh yeah, this smells so good. It smells like summer. It smells like caramel. What does it say it's supposed to smell like? Oh, pistachio and salted caramel. That is exactly what it gives. It smells really, really good. It smells sweet. I feel like if you were on vacation with your man, he gonna eat you up with this because this smells really, really good. Wow. I can't wait to use this. The next 2 things are pretty boring because they're just re-ups of what I already have. This is my favorite Holy Grail facial cleanser. It is the Youth to the People Green Tea and Spinach Vitamin Cleanser. This is just the refill pack because it just makes sense to get it. You get double the amount than the one that comes in the glass container. And this is $68. I believe the glass container is only 8 fluid ounces, and that is $40. So no brainer. Then I got the Tower 28 Daily Facial Rescue Spray. I don't know what this is supposed to do, but all I know is that sometimes when I exfoliate, my face gets really, really red, and then when I spray this on it, red, gone. So for that reason alone, she is staying in my skincare routine forever. I also read up on the Anastasia Beverly Hair Brow Wiz. I got it in the shade Ebony. I feel like everyone knows this. It's just a skinny one. Skinny liner on the one end, and then you get the spoolie on the other end. It is literally my favorite thing to do my eyebrows with. If you don't know anything about brows, this is so beginner friendly. It's a must-have. You must get this. And then probably one of my favorite things from this entire haul is the Fenty Body Butter, and I got this one in the cinnamon scent. So has this cute packaging, FS on it. I don't know if you guys can really see it because it's so sunny out. And then it just says Fenty Skin. So I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this smells really good. This smells like the cereal Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Can I mix it in with the Bum Bum one? This smells so good. I'm gonna mix it in. I don't even care. I actually wanted the original one, but this one was on sale already. This is the full-size container, by the way. It was on sale for like $32. This feels so nice on my hands. So I could just imagine on my body, this is gonna feel like heaven. Rihanna, you did your big one with this. But I got this scent because it was actually on sale. This full-size container was on sale for $32. I think it regularly goes for $45, but it was on sale, and then plus my additional 20% off. So I'm like, you know what? It's my first time trying it anyway, so I'm gonna take whatever I can get. My boyfriend's birthday is next month, so I got him the YSL Myself cologne. This smells so good. I talked about it in a previous video and I said, like, if you have a man, get this for him. And I'm not lying. If you have a man, or even if you're a female who likes more masculine scents, please get this. It smells so good. It smells like you're gonna want to rip the clothes off of your man. Don't say I didn't warn you. And then I couldn't get him a fragrance and not get myself a fragrance. So I finally got my hands on the Valentino Donna Born in Roma. This is just the original one. And like I said, I have so many perfumes that it doesn't make sense for me anymore to buy the full-size bottle unless it's something that I know I'm gonna cherish for the rest of my life kind of thing. So I'm just been settling for the 1 ounce bottles. This is what it looks like. It smells really good because I sprayed it on in store too, because no more blind buys. I will never blind buy a fragrance again. Don't waste your money. Try it first. I'm gonna spray her right now. Oh, this smells so good. It's such a perfect summer girly scent. It smells really, really good. Speaking of fragrance though, I wanted the Jackie Aina Forever Mood fragrances so bad, but everything was sold out online and in store. Mind you, I went the first day. I literally ordered all of this first day, and I even went in store a second day, and I wasn't able to find any of them. I was able to spray them and like smell the testers. My favorite one is NDA, but I wasn't able to buy any, not even the travel sizes. So that pissed me off. So Jackie Aina Forever Mood, the team, if you want to send me some of the fragrances, please, please, please. Because I was trying to support and spend my money on it and I couldn't get it. So, I mean, I guess it's just that good that everyone wanted to get their hands on it and probably review it just like what I wanted to do. But the last thing I got from my online order was just the Sephora waterproof eyeliner in black. I've just been needing a eyeliner because I had the Fenty Beauty black one called, it's in the shade Cause I'm Black, but it's just their black shade. I hated it. It was like, I don't know if it was expired. It just didn't, I hated it. Get the Sephora collection. There was no need for me to splurge. So that is everything I got from my online order. Let's move on to what I got in store. So I finally got my hands on the Touchland hand sanitizer spray. I just feel like I have no real reason to have wanted this. It's just mad cute. Everyone has it. You just sit there and be cute and spray your hand sanitizer on your hand, and who doesn't want to be clean anyway? And it was $10 and then you get 20% off. So what is this, like $8, $6? It was cheap and no germs on my hands. I also got the Sephora collection just makeup removing wipes. I just needed makeup removing wipes because I'm a girl. I do my makeup. I have makeup on right now. And I just was running low. So again, I think this was like $6, and then because the Sephora collection, I got 30% off of it. It was kind of like a might as well kind of situation. Also from the Sephora collection, I got these 2 lip glosses. I got this one. This one is called Universal, and it's just honestly just like a really, really pale baby pink kind of color. And then I got this one, and it's just in the color Nude. And basically they have pumping effects, and they're really cute. They're kind of like what? It's giving Dior dupe, Dior lip maximizer dupe. And these ones were only like $13 each, and then because they're Sephora collection, I got 30% off of both of them. We're almost near the end of the haul. I only have 4 items left to show you guys. So my splurgy item of this entire haul was the Dior Maximizer. I wanted it in that really, really pale pink color that everyone else has, but they were sold out. And then one of the workers there told me to just try this color on because it's pretty much the same color. This one is called Beige, and I did try it on. I tried on both of them, and honestly it really is like genuinely just like the same color. Basically it's just a really, really pale milky kind of color, and I'm gonna put some on right now. Oh, you can smell the peppermint, and I can feel the peppermint on my lips right now. It feels really good. I don't really need it for the maximizing effect. I have full lips, but I just wanted it because I wanted it. And I told you guys during the Sephora sale, this is the time to get things that you've always wanted to try and you thought were a little bit too pricey, because you're gonna get a deal on it. And then I got the Laneige Lip Glow Balm, and I got it in the vanilla color, vanilla shade, vanilla smell. Didn't even know that they had this, to be honest. Oh, it really does smell like vanilla. Dang, I wish I could have put this on my lips too. This smells really good. I know I'm gonna really like this. Then another restock of mine was the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I get it in this color Biscuit. It's just the perfect under eye highlight for me. Well, just highlight on my face in general. Perfect one for my skin tone. And last but not least, probably one of the favorite things I got from this entire haul was the Makeup by Mario Masters palette. I think I've talked about this in every video I did based on the Sephora sale. Like, I could not wait to get my hands on this. Like, ugh. The packaging is so sleek. The colors are on the back, and these are all of the shades. They're just all nude matte tones. This looks so good. I can't wait to create so many amazing looks with this palette. It's just like, oh, like this is a holy grail kind of palette for me. I love it because I don't do too much with my eyeshadow anyway, so this is like literally the perfect kinds of shades for me. Like, perfect. So I want to tally up and tell you guys exactly how much I spent on everything. So let me get my receipts together. How much did we spend? So I just did the math and added everything to my shopping cart just so I could get very, very specific and give you guys the hunch. So I got 16 items and the merchandise subtotal is $610.20. And because I am VIB Rouge, which means I saved 20% off of everything non-Sephora collection, and then on Sephora collection I saved 30% off. My discount saving was $126.54, which brings my total minus tax in 2 separate chips, because like I said, I ordered some online and then I went in store to buy the rest. My total was $483.66. I am very happy with that. I am very, very happy, and I cannot wait to finally use my stuff. Like I said, that's why I kind of like forced this video out there into the universe, because I want to use my stuff. I really want to use my stuff. And I actually want to show you guys another package from a brand that sent something to me, and it's called QueenMusia. QueenMusia. It's Queen M-U-S-I-A. And they sent me over a mascara. I literally always just love getting mascaras because mascaras are one thing I just don't like spending my money on. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this brush looks pretty nice. So I guess I will like this. And then they sent me over 2 lipsticks. I'll have this website linked down below if you want to check them out. Oh, the packaging. Hello, packaging. This looks like a bullet. I got 2 lipsticks. This is a really, really pretty color. And here's another color. This one's more like a mauve pink. This is one that's up my alley. Kind of want to try it on now. It feels good and it's very, very creamy to apply. So I really like that stuff. So thank you, QueenMusia, for sending me the stuff. I really hope I'm pronouncing that name right. But thank you to them for sending me those stuff. This is not sponsored or anything like that. As I'm a sucker for good packaging. The packaging on these items are just really, really cute. And if you use my code down below, you can get 10% off of your total. So I'll have everything linked down below, including the website. But that is it for today's video. I know it's really, really fast because, I mean, I've spent so much time talking about Sephora stuff in my past 2 videos. So it's just like, kind of just wanted to hurry up and get this out there before the sale ends. So the sale ends on Monday. But to you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.